To display today's reminder on the widget bar on your lock screen on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, you have to add reminder for today widget to the widget bar on your lock screen. To do so, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find wallpaper and style. Tap wallpaper and style and then tap the lock screen thumbnail. Tap the widget bar. Tap reminder. Scroll down the screen. Here you can choose which reminder widget style you like to use. There are two styles available. The simple one that will show how many reminders you have for today, and the detailed one that will show you the list of the 3 upcoming reminders that you have not done for today. As the example, we will use the detailed one. Tap Done button to save the change. To see the result, go to your lock screen. As you can see, now your phone will display the list of the 3 upcoming reminders that you have not done yet for today on the widget bar below the lock screen clock. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.